Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make letter K. This is very easy to make letter. Finished letter is approximately 6.5 centimeter height, and we are going to make this letter by using 3mm crochet hook, double knit yarn and scissors. Before we start, don't forget to read the description below, where you can find a link to my blog, Buy Me a Coffee. And in the link to my blog, you can find a written tutorial for this letter K and all other remaining capital letters as well. Before we start as well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm gonna post more videos. So I finished my sweet talk and we can start making this K letter. We are going to start with chain of 14 stitches. Let's do our chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have a chain of 14 stitches. Now we are going to start from the second stitch. We're going to skip first stitch and then we're going to start from the second stitch. We are going to do one single crochet in this stitch. As we skipped first stitch and we did one single crochet in the second stitch, we have 12 stitches remaining in our first row, and we're going to do one single crochet in each stitch, and we will have 13 single crochets in our first row. So let's do one single crochet in next 12 stitches. We finished our first row and we have 13 single crochets in this row. Now we are going to turn. We're going to start our row number 2 with chain 1, then single crochet into the same stitch and single crochet in next remaining 12 stitches, and we're gonna have still 13 stitches after finishing our row number 2. We finished 2 rows of our letter K, and that's how our letter K looks now. We are moving to row number 3. We are going to turn again, and we're going to start our row number 3 with slip stitches in next 6 stitches. So let's do slip stitches in next 6 stitches. Make sure your slip stitches are quite loose, otherwise it's gonna make our letter K to shrink. So slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We did 6 slip stitches, making sure it's not shrinking. Now we moved approximately to the middle of our letter K, and we are going to do chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have a chain of 8 stitches. Our letter K is gaining sort of shape. And now what we're going to do, we are going to crochet into this chain. We are going to start from the 3rd stitch. 1, 2, 3. Going to start from the 3rd stitch, and it will leave us 6 stitches, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in next 6 stitches. So let's do double crochet next 6 stitches. Right, let's get it properly. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and double crochet 6. That's how our letter K looks so far. But now we need to connect this chain to our main body, which is main body here. And our next step will be double crochet 3 toque. It's like 3 stitches double crochet decrease. We are going to do 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and we are going to do decrease through them all. So we have 3 double crochets here. It will be like decrease and 1 more decrease. That our K letter is connected to the main body. And next step will be slip stitch in the following stitch. Let's do our slip stitch. There you are. First part of letter K is complete. That's how letter K looks so far. Needs a bit of shaping. Come on, shaping the shape. There you are. First part of letter K is complete. Now we are moving to the second leg of our letter K, and we are going to do chain of 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have a chain of 7 stitches. And here we are going to start same as in the first leg from the 3rd stitch, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have a 5 double crochets on the second leg. Now we need to turn it around, and we're going to slip stitch this into first leg. Let's skip 1 stitch and slip stitch this into here, into second stitch, and our letter K is complete. Let me look it a bit more presentable for you. There you are. That's how our letter K is looking so far. The only thing what we need to do is now just to finish it off, cut the yarn off and hide it away somewhere whenever you like. If you're going to attach this letter to a project, then I suggest you leave long tail for sewing. I'm not leaving long tail for sewing because I am just making it for you to show how to make letter K. I don't really have plans for this letter at the moment. I'm pretty sure I will find a home for it, but at the moment I don't have any plans. So, and that's it. So far our letter K is complete. Very easy to make, perfect for the beginner, and it's no assembly required as well. So that's it, letter is done. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to visit my blog where you can find a written tutorial for this letter. Don't forget to subscribe and share my blog so I can grow my audience, and I am going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching again.